Hi, Han. What are you doing?
Fixing my bike.
What happened to your bike?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I'm just trying to switch the brake to the other side. Can I have a pentel pen that I just noticed a scratch? A black pentel pen. Please.
I'm not your slave. Just kidding. Where did you put it?
At your drawer.
Which drawer?
Top drawer.
Which drawer?
Just check over there and then over there.
Over there and over there?
Yeah, just whatever drawer you see.
Wow, you're awake. How's your sleeping, Misha? Hi, Misha. Misha. Shh. Hey. Hi, it's me, Michelle Nieras. This is me right now. I'm not that beautiful anymore. I'm getting old. Hi. Let's go see my husband. This is our room. Excuse me for the mess. Where is my husband? Dennis. Hi.
Ooh.
I could not find your pentel pen.
Okay, no problem.
No problem. What?
I'm just looking. I will look for it.
Hi, Misha. The beautiful pet. My cat.
The annoying pet.
My kitten. Hi. Say hi. How are you? I'm going to work tonight, Misha. Are you going to miss me? Huh? How about you, Daddy? My honey? Are you gonna miss me?
I don't have a gun.
I won't see you for 8 hours.
That's only 8 hours.
My kitten. This is my beautiful kitten. Hey. Say, kiss me, Misha. Misha. Hello. You're not gonna kiss me? You're minding your own business. Bye, Misha. Honey. Misha, come here. Say bye-bye to Mommy. Since you don't care. And I'm gonna make some baon, okay? I'm going to work tonight. Misha. And don't forget to finish the vegetable, okay? And just a little. It's not that much. And the fried chicken that I made.
Hello, Shelly.
I said don't forget to finish the vegetable.
I won't. Ayun, yung petal pen. I found it.
Saan mo nakita?
Sa coffee table.
vegetable ham is a pan, okay?
Okay.
Don't forget.
Okay. I'll try to forget.
Huh?
I'll try
What do you mean you will try?
to forget.
Be quiet. Don't forget to drink your... don't forget to take your medication, okay?
I'll try.
Puro ka try. Do it.
I'll try nga eh.
What are you doing there?
I'm covering the damage of my bike. Ang dami ng damage, mga scratch.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab my ID.
Okay. Be careful. Be careful.
What?
Be careful.
What? Be careful, pull. Bye, Misha. I'm gonna miss you. Bye, Misha. Kiss. No kisses for me? Ado. And
Yeah.
I'm going to say bye-bye.
You missed my nose by a minute.
Sorry.
Michelle, I'm peeing, Michelle.
I just want to say bye.
Don't videotape me one in the restroom. Ikaw naman, no?
I'm not videoing you.
Yes, you are. Michelle.